about business. So have to know what is business, and we will try to find out the definition of what is business and the characteristics of business, and in a special topic of in your book written that steps of business evolution. Steps of business evolution. Okay, so first of all, we have to know what is business. What is business? The chapter's name is Introduction to Business. Reading this chapter, you will learn concept of business. Concept of business. What is business? Definition of business. Characteristics of business. Steps of revolution of business. Scope and classification of business. Industry, commerce and direct services. Importance of business. Business environment. Factors of business environment. These topics are discussed in this chapter, and you will learn this. Step by step, we will learn these topics. Today, we will learn what is business, that means concept of business, definition of business, characteristics, right now, characteristics of business, then steps of revolution of business. Okay, write down today's topics. You are not writing. Happy? Right now? Yes. Today's topics have to complete at home. You have written? And this is your homework. Mahir? Okay. Business. Have to know what is business. Okay. Business. Business means being busy with some work, and work can be on financial or non-financial. It can be profitable or non-profitable. For making profit or not for making profit. Okay. So suppose I'm taking your class. I am busy. So I'm in business. Okay. So this is not business. This is not business. I am busy, but this is not business because I am taking class not for making profit. Okay, not for making profit, and there is no risk for taking this class. There is no risk for taking this class. If you identify a work as a business, if you want to treat a work in a business as a business, have some characteristics. We will know what are the characteristics. If the characteristics are available in the definition, the work will be as a business. Okay. So write down what is business. What is business? Economic activities with a view to making profit. with risk and legally accepted are termed as business. Termed as business. Write down. Economic activities, অর্থনৈতিক কাজকর্ম with a view to making profit, মুনাফা অর্জনের উদ্দেশ্যে with risk and legally accepted, ঝুঁকির সাথে নিয়ে আইনগত বৈধতার সাথে যদি যে কোনো অর্থনৈতিক কর্মকাণ্ড পরিচালনা করা হলে that will be termed as business. Okay, suppose your father or your family growing some foods for your family, but not making for but not for sale or not for making profit, as there is no purpose of making profit of your father's activities, so that activities will not be treated as business. If your father grows vegetables or foods for making profit, that would be termed as business. Okay, so we can find some characteristics here in the definition of business. What are the characteristics? We can find what we can find making what? Profit. Right, making profit. Then economic activities. What? অর্থনৈতিক কাজকর্ম. Economic activities. And taking your class, is this economic activities? No. অর্থনৈতিক কর্মকাণ্ড নয়. This is not economic activities. Okay. So have to be economic activities. That means have to produce something for selling. If you buy something for selling, that will be the economic activities. Okay. Economic activities then economic activities with view to making profit with risk, right? Risk. You are busy for making profit, but there is no risk. That activities will not be treated as business. If you want to treat financial activities as a business, must have some characteristics. We are writing these activities characteristics. Number 1, making profit. Number 2, economic activities. Then risk. Then legally accepted. Right. Okay. Legally legitimate activities. Okay. Legally accepted. So, from the definition of business, we found some characteristics. The characteristics are making profit, economic activities, risk and legally activities. These 4 characteristics must have in your business definition. Okay, in your financial activities or in your activities, if you find these 4 characteristics, your activities will be treated as business. যদি এর মধ্যে একটাও যদি ঘাটতি থাকে, suppose your financial activities we found that there are making, the main purpose of your activities is making profit, the activities related to economic activities, but there is no risk, legally accepted, but there is no risk, that activities will not be treated as business. Suppose if you want to some unused money in your bank, you will get some profit from the bank. The bank will give you a certain money every year in your account. You are getting money, but there is no risk, there is no chance to be a loss. Okay, so that activities, there is no loss probability, so that is not risk, there is no risk, so that activities will not be treated as business. Okay, so what is one? Okay, come after 10 minutes. Okay, then we have got what is business, that means definition of business, concept of business, characteristics of business. Last one, steps of revolution. Okay, this is most important for MCQ. Frequent times you will get MCQs, many MCQs from these topics. Okay, so have to memorize these topics from your book. You can see there is a structure. Okay, we will discuss. Have you written this? Okay. Okay. Number 1 question done, number 2 topic done, and number 3 rest one. Okay. Can you give me a book? You. Okay. As there is 2 books, I take one. Okay. Just see page number 3. Page number 3. Turn over the page 3. Here is written steps of revolution of business. That means steps of business evolution. ব্যবসায়ের উৎপত্তি ও ক্রমবিকাশ, ব্যবসার উৎপত্তি ও ক্রমবিকাশ, কোথা থেকে এটা সূচনা হলো, শুরু হলো, এবং এটা সমৃদ্ধি কিভাবে হয়েছে, কি তাই না, উন্নতি হয়েছে কিভাবে, how we are going to discuss these topics. Okay, here is written before this, origin and evolution of business. Look, over time the scope of economic activities increase on the basis of human demand. As a result, activities like hunting, producing crops, and exchanging goods, this is called barter system, exchanging goods. You have lentil, he has rice, but he has not lentil, just he wanted to get some lentil. He will give some lentil and he will give you some rice. This is called barter system. Okay, কেউ মুরগি খেতে চায়, কেউ হচ্ছে খাসির মাংস খেতে চায়, যার খাসি আছে সে মুরগিওয়ালাকে একটা খাসি দিবে আর মুরগিওয়ালা 10টা মুরগি দিবে খাসিওয়ালাকে. This is barter system, but this system didn't meet sir, yes, come in, sir. Okay, sit down.
How many of you are present today? How many of you are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So one is absent. Where is it at? Yes?
Hasif Saib
is staying at house. I think he is staying at house at now.
Yes, sir.
Not it? But he has not come yet. So I will have to call him through the housemaster. Asif Saib ke bole diwas hoye putro what is the house name? Lalon Shah House. Yes, he will be the chance to get the admission in Lalon Shah House. Okay. If you see him, just tell him you can come to the Lalon Shah House if you want to change. Okay. His application was granted. Okay. Another thing is that if any one of you suffer from dengue or what is.
Okay, let's come to the point. We are discussing about origin and evolution of business. Okay. Here is written, we are talking about barter system, right? Barter system didn't reach the human demand. After that, exchanging goods and products could not meet up all the needs. Because of this, in place of barter system, coins of gold and silver স্বর্ণ রৌপ্য মুদ্রা এগুলো চালু হয় and later paper note was introduced as a medium of exchange which is going on right now. Okay, we use taka, right? Paper money 100, 200, 500, 1000, right? Notes are using to fulfill our demands. The evolution of business can be classified as primitive age. Are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Primitive age, middle age, and modern age. Okay, how many types of modern business? How many? The evolution of business can be classified as 3 ages, right? 3 ages: primitive age, middle age, and modern age. প্রাচীনকাল, মধ্যকাল এবং মধ্যযুগ, প্রাচীন যুগ, মধ্যযুগ এবং what is it? Next one? আধুনিক যুগ, right? Modern age. Primitive age মানে হচ্ছে প্রাচীন যুগ, middle age মধ্যযুগ, and modern age আধুনিক যুগ, right? We are staying in modern age. So have to know what was in middle age and primitive age. Middle age and primitive age. Okay. In the primitive age, people exchanging, people doing some works to fulfill their demands. What they were doing, what they had done in the primitive age, hunting. পশু শিকার তোমরা শুনেছো? পশু শিকার এখনো যারা গ্রামের মানুষ তারা কিন্তু এগুলো দেখতে পায়। What is called hunting? Hunting beast. পশু শিকার। ওকে, গ্রামের মধ্যে ওই যে বাঁশবাগান আরও বন যেগুলো রয়েছে এগুলোতে ঢুকে শিয়াল, তারপর হচ্ছে বেজি, বন বিড়াল, তারপর হরিণ, এরকম দিস টাইপস অফ অ্যানিমেলস এগুলো ওরা হান্ট করে। সো হান্টিং, ফিশিং ফ্রম রিভার, কালেক্টিং ফ্রুটস, কাল্টিভেশন অর ফার্মিং, বার্টারিং. So bartering is the system. The bartering was in primitive age, right? So have to memorize this. This type of question will come in your MCQ. The bartering system এটা কোন যুগের? Bartering system কোন যুগের? Primitive age, right? Cultivation or farming from primitive age, right? Collecting fruits, primitive age. Another question may come from hunting or fishing of primitive age. Okay, so what did the people in middle age for fulfill their demands? How they exchange their things? They using scarce snail, shell, kori, হচ্ছে শামুক, ঝিনুক. Snail means শামুক. দেখেছো কেউ? স্নেল, শামুক. তারপর হচ্ছে দেন শেল, ঝিনুক, কড়ি অ্যান্ড স্টোনস, কড়ি এবং পাথর অ্যাজ মিডিয়াম অফ এক্সচেঞ্জ, তারা বিনিময়ের মাধ্যম হিসেবে ব্যবহার করতো। কারো কাছে হচ্ছে শামুক আছে, কারো কাছে ঝিনুক রয়েছে, এরা এক্সচেঞ্জ করতো। এই বুঝতে পারছো? আমরা এখন এক্সচেঞ্জ করি কি, একটা গরু নিয়ে আসি, 50,000 টাকা দিয়ে আসি, ঠিক কি না? অথবা চেক দিয়ে আসি। তা বলো তো দেখি, জাস্ট থিঙ্ক দ্যাট চেককে আমরা আরও 20 বছর 50 বছর আগে ব্যবহার করতাম না। ওই সময় ব্যাংকই ছিল না, তা চেক আসার তো প্রশ্নই আসে না। আরও 20 বছর আগে তোমরা চিন্তা করো, এটিএম কার্ড ছিল? নো, এটা তো ওই সময় ব্যাংকে সেই সময় ওদের কোনো ইলেকট্রনিক মিডিয়া ছিল না, তো এটিএম কার্ড হওয়ার প্রশ্নই আসে না। সুতরাং we are getting these facilities of ATM card and electronic money, right? So using coins of metal like gold, silver, etc., introduction of paper notes, formation of market and towns, town hall, Krishi market, right? Karan Bazar, these types of places created were created in the Middle Age. Establishment of business organization, ব্যবসা সংগঠনের উৎপত্তি. Okay, so we can address the Middle Age before the 1750. 1750 সালের পূর্ব সময়টা আমরা মিডল এজ বলতে পারি। And modern age started from after the 1750. 1750 সালের পর থেকে আমরা যদি আধুনিক যুগ শুরু করি তাহলে আমরা কি দেখতে পাই? মডার্ন এজ, ইন্ট্রোডাকশন ইন ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন, শিল্প বিপ্লব হয়েছিল। তো শিল্প বিপ্লব অর ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন started in 1750 and ended in 1850। 1750 সালে শুরু হয়, 1850 সালে শেষ হয়। কি? ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন, শিল্প বিপ্লব। এই শিল্প বিপ্লব বুঝো, অর্থাৎ উৎপাদনের বিপ্লব। ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ইজ দ্য মিডিয়াম অফ প্রোডাকশন, সো ইন্ডাস্ট্রি মিনস প্রোডাকশন। শিল্প বিপ্লব মানে হচ্ছে উৎপাদনের বিপ্লব। এই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড লাস্ট ম্যান? ওকে, দেন ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ ইনফরমেশন অ্যান্ড কমিউনিকেশন টেকনোলজি, দ্যাট মিনস আইসিটি। ওকে, spread of different industries, introduction of large scale production and distribution process, বড় মানে হচ্ছে যে বৃহৎ উৎপাদন এবং বন্টন ব্যবস্থা। তোমরা জাস্ট 20 বছর 10 বছর 20 বছর আগের কথা চিন্তা করো, ওই সময় কিন্তু RFL এর বেস্ট বাইয়ের কোনো শোরুম ছিল? এই ছিল না। বাটা ছিল, অ্যাপেক্স ছিল, কিন্তু বাটা অ্যাপেক্সের শোরুম ছিল বিভাগীয় শহরগুলোতে, এরপরে আস্তে আস্তে জেলা শহরে, এখন হচ্ছে উপজেলা, থানা পর্যায়ে, ইভেন গ্রাম পর্যায়েও এরা শোরুম এস্টাবলিশ করছে। এই যে শোরুম এস্টাবলিশ করে তাদের উৎপাদিত পণ্য বিক্রি করছে টু দ্য ফাইনাল কনজিউমার, চূড়ান্ত ভোক্তাদের কাছে, আলটিমেট কনজিউমার যারা রয়েছে তাদের কাছে। এটা হচ্ছে বৃহৎ বন্টন ব্যবস্থা। তাহলে এত বেশি বিক্রি করতে চাইলে কী করতে হবে? অল্প উৎপাদন করতে হবে না বেশি? হ্যাভ টু প্রডিউস এ লার্জ স্কেল, ইন আ লার্জ স্কেল, বৃহৎ উৎপাদন করতে হবে। এটা শুরু হয়েছে আফটার দ্য এজ অফ 1750। ওকে, দেন expansion of business of banking and insurance, introduction of ATM card and introduction of mobile banking. These are the steps of business evolution, and as you are the man of modern age, middle age, you are getting these facilities, using these instruments or facilities. You will do your financial activities. After your graduation completion. Okay, so today these 3 topics are discussed in your class. What is business? That means concept of business, characteristics of business, and steps of business revolution. Right? Any question? You? 5 years? Okay, have you submitted your assignments? Assignments 1, 2, 3, 4? 3. Up to 3. Okay, have you brought? Give me. Thank you.